Is this the yummiest summer scent yet? Let's unbox Juicy Couture's Just Moi Intense. Guys, it is not hyperbole for me to say that I love collecting Juicy Couture perfumes. As you can see behind me, I have a ton of them. I just love them. They are sweet, playful, fun-loving. They're just a gourmand girlie's dream, and they're one of my favorite perfume houses to collect. If you are a gourmand girly like I am, I'm sure you'll be super excited to explore the new Juicy Couture Just Moi Intense fragrance with me. First off, I'm going to tell you guys what all of the notes are. For the top, we have a delicious sounding chocolate hazelnut pear accord. Holy cats, that sounds so absolutely delicious. My favorite fresh pear meets decadent Nutella vibes. Yes, please. There's also an orange flower, or you may know it as orange blossom note in the opening. The heart is centered around a jasmine sambac absolute, gardenia, cocoa, and brown sugar. Holy yum, that all sounds amazing too. The base has an exclusive vanilla and ambrox co-infusion, bourbon vanilla, love, 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 vetiver, and sandalwood. Okay guys, these notes sound amazing and right up my alley. Let's unbox this baby and check this out and see if it smells as good as I think it's going to. Oh, here we go. Ooh, I can feel the little cute charm already on it. Oh, look how cute. Look how super darling this bottle is. I love it so much. It's nice and hefty. It's good quality. And it's got this darling little charm on it. Oh my gosh, so cute. Juicy always pays attention to the details. I love the little bows that are on a lot of their Viva La Juicy fragrances. And they just always have like the cutest little details on their perfume. Okay guys, time to check out the first impressions of Just Moi Intense. Gonna give it a little prime. All right, here we go. I'm going big or going home. Yummity yum yum yum. Already love it. So good. Super sweet, as you would probably expect from a juicy perfume, which is why I love them. I'm such a gourmand girl. I definitely get the pear and that like powdered vanilla sugar that I'm always talking about that I absolutely love. I love vanilla-based perfumes. It's my favorite note ever. Oh my gosh, this is so good, you guys. I can smell the brown sugar right away. It's got this sugary spun kind of vibe going on. It's so sweet and yummy. It's like a little bit of a cotton candy-ish vibe going on, but definitely brown sugar. It really does smell like brown sugar for sure. And I really get the pear. It's so good. It's super sweet. I'm really getting that orange blossom too. I think that's what's giving me that cotton candy vibe. If you mix like vanilla with an orange blossom or like a neroli, you'll often get sort of this cotton candy, bubblegum, yummy, sweet vibe. It's so good. Right up my alley as a gourmand girl. As it's drying down, I'm getting a little bit of this woodsiness from the sandalwood and the vetiver combo. It's just a slight hint of woodsiness. It's still very sweet. It's still very fun and yummy. It's just smelling so good, you guys. I'm really enjoying it. There's a little bit of a caramelized vibe here. You're definitely get that sort of caramely candy vibe that you're probably used to smelling in some of the other Juicy Couture perfumes, especially I think of Viva La Juicy, the gold, that really has that caramel candy kind of a vibe. I'm getting that here a little bit too. It's really, really yummy. I think yummy is the word here. Like this just smells so good. You almost want to lick your arm. Like it smells so sweet, so good. If you are the type of person who loves gourmand perfumes like I do, I think you're going to be really happy with this. This is definitely very sweet. If you're into juicy fragrances and you kind of know what to expect with that delicious sweet vanilla that they use with a little bit of a fruitiness and just like that white floral that is so sweet and yummy, I think this is going to be right up your alley. Like I can see myself wearing this so much. This is exuding confidence. It's exuding like I'm fun. Like I want to have a good time. I smell delicious. Like let's go have a good time. This is the kind of fragrance that I could see wearing out to date night. Like your partner is going to think that you smell amazing. I can also see wearing this to like an outdoor concert, like a fun outdoor summer festival, that kind of a vibe. The great thing about cozy vanilla fragrances too is that they're so great in the fall and winter. So this will be a fragrance that you can wear year round, absolutely. As we're heading into the end of August, into September, I think this will be very easy to wear all of the time. If you love the gourmand fragrances like I do, I can see this becoming a signature scent for you. This fragrance is available in this 100 ml bottle at Macy's. If you're a gourmand lover like I am, I highly encourage you to head over to Macy's and check this out. I do not think you will be disappointed. If you love sweet fragrances, if you love fragrances that smell like candy, like cotton candy, like bubblegum, that kind of a vibe, if you love juicy, if you are a fan of sweet, juicy couture fragrances like I am, I think this is gonna be right up your alley. You should definitely give it a shot. Guys, head on over to Macy's today and check out Just Moi Intense by Juicy Couture. If you love these sweet gourmand fragrances like I do, I think you're gonna love it.